Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Honda Civic. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear like gloves and eye protection. Make sure both the dead Civic and the donor vehicle are completely turned off and in park or neutral. Carefully position the donor car close enough for the cables to reach, but ensure the vehicles are not touching each other. This prevents any accidental electrical shorts. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. Take one red clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of the dead Honda Civic's battery. Next, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Then, attach one black clamp to the negative terminal of the donor battery. Finally, connect the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on the dead Civic's engine block, away from the battery. With the cables properly connected, it's time to start the process. Begin by starting the donor vehicle's engine and allow it to run for approximately 5 minutes. This gives the dead battery some time to receive a charge. After 5 minutes, try to start your Honda Civic. If it doesn't immediately turn over, wait a few more minutes with the donor car running, then attempt to start your Civic again. Once your Honda Civic is running, it's crucial to disconnect the cables in the correct order. First, remove the black clamp from the unpainted metal surface on your Civic's engine block. Next, disconnect the black clamp from the donor battery's negative terminal. For staying refreshed on the go, check out the Oala water bottle link in the description, along with other great deals. Finally, remove the red clamp from the donor battery, then the red clamp from your Civic's battery. Drive your car for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.